Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove text from video in Capcut step by step. So, let's get started. First, open Capcut and import the video that contains text at the end. Once the video is added to the timeline, play it and locate the section where the text appears. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline and move the playhead to the point just before the text starts appearing. Now click on the split option to divide the video into two parts. After that, select the portion of the video that contains the unwanted text. Then drag the edge of the clip or trim the selected section to remove the part with the text. If the text only appears at the end of the video, you can simply delete that split section. Once you are done, preview the video to make sure the text has been removed successfully. That's it. You have successfully removed the text from the end of your video in Capcut. So that's if you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for update.